Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm back with another tutorial. Hope you are doing well. So let's get started. In today's tutorial I got something amazing for you. Yes, you might have some time in your life encountered a time when you missed your transfer cable, the USB transfer cable which you use for your file transfers or your pen drive. But sometimes you forget them and get into mess. So to solve your problem, I have got a trick and a service for you. So let's get straight into the video. Guys, I bring you here to the website of Transmore, where we'll be using the file sharing service offered by them, which is a pretty easy and simple one. The first thing you have to do over here is just sign up with your Gmail account, which I'll show you how. So guys, we have registered successfully. Now let's go ahead and sign in. So after creating your account, just log in and add your files from your PC which you want to send. Like I'm gonna send any file which I like. Let's be this robot. And after you click send, you will be seeing a 6-digit digital key. Now what you are gonna do is download the Transmore app on your mobile phone from the Play Store or App Store with your respective OS. Now let's get to mobile phone. After installing the app, open the app and log in with the details which you have signed up on the website. Now later click on the receive button on the bottom side of the app and enter the 6-digit code which is available on your PC screen. This app can also be used to share files between two Android devices or one iOS and one Android device and many other devices. You just need the 6-digit code between the two apps. After you click the 6-digit code out here, the download will start soon and you will receive your image soon. After you receive your image, you also have the option to send image on the bottom side of the app. You can send any file like APKs, videos, images and music. Now you have to enter this code on your PC screen where you want to receive your file. So now let's get to the PC screen. Now you have to enter the 6-number digital key from your mobile to in this box. So my number is, and your file will automatically start download. So this was the video guys. I think it was important and just easiest way to share without using some messier things or cables. So this was the video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit on a like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech.